Welcome to Switchboard Live. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Rumble channel with your Switchboard Live account. We're super excited that Rumble is now available to all Switchboard Live users, giving you even more flexibility and reach at no extra cost. With this easy setup, you can multi-stream to Rumble just like you do with other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. This means you can go live on Rumble and reach even more viewers all at the same time. A quick note before we begin. You'll need to have live streaming enabled on your Rumble account. This verification process can take up to 24 hours. We've included a helpful link in the description below with more info. Alright, let's dive in. We're logged into our Switchboard account and we're on the workflow page. We'll scroll down to the bottom of our stream group and click Add Destination. A new window will open and we'll click Connect More. From the list of platforms, select Rumble. A pop-up window will appear prompting us to log into our Rumble account. Note, if you're already logged into Rumble in the same browser, this step will happen automatically. Now we see the success screen and we'll click Close. Our Rumble channel is listed at the top. Now let's customize the stream details for our Rumble destination. We'll click Customize. The Customize window will open and we'll begin filling out the details like the stream title, description, tag, and select a category. Everything looks good, so we'll click Save Changes. Now we'll click Done and return to our workflow. If we take a look at the stream group, we can see our Rumble channel has been successfully added. Now we're ready to start multi-streaming. We'll begin sending live video from our encoder to this workflow. We'll see the preview window update with our content and everything begins to light up. We'll select our destinations, including Rumble, and click Go Live. And that's it. We're now live on Rumble, right alongside our other platforms, all from one place using Switchboard. We'll click the watch icon to see the video on our Rumble channel. Our live stream will open in a new browser tab. Thanks to our direct integration with Rumble, the custom stream title and description are automatically applied, making it an easy process. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Follow us for more tutorials and visit switchboard.live. Happy multi-streaming!